Hey guys, it's Kian, and today I'm going to be showing you these things that have been blowing up on YouTube. Fidget spinners. These things are very popular. A lot of people have them, and even my friend does. Like his name, I don't know his friend. He's on my baseball game, but he's not really my friend. He had one of these, and he had a LED light one. And if you're wondering, why do you have a girl fidget spinner? This is not mine. This is my sister's. I'm using hers because she let me, and because I just lost my fidget spinner. But I hope I find it today. And I'm gonna be showing you some tricks with this. The first one is bouncing it on your nose. Okay, the next one is balancing it on your wrist. And the next one is balancing it on your thumb. This one might be the easiest. No wait, I think the wrist is kind of the easiest. And the next one is balancing it on your middle finger. That one's pretty hard. And next one is throwing it to the other hand and catching it. Okay. I heard this one was called the hot potato. I've done it before 11 in a row. I did it. Yeah, I did it again. A little bit of it was stopped. Yay! Okay, the next trick is... well, it's kind of the same thing as the hot potato, but like this instead of this. So instead of doing this, we're doing this. I did it again. Okay. Yeah, I did it. And that's all for today. And I know this was a really short video. Wait, I have one more trick. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna scoot back so you guys can see it. My dad said I'm a master at doing the hot potato. I just did it first try. But my Avery did it 12 in a row. I did 11 in a row. Like he did that 11 in a row, and I did that. He did that 12 in a row. I did that 11 in a row. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.